Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 10 for text. So it says text size. You can change the size of the text using the text size block. Well, we kind of just did that. Do this. Run the code to see how it works. Add code to make the word large the biggest. Add another text size block before the text block that prints the text large to the screen. Make sure the pixel size is bigger than the small and medium words. So we're going to run. All right. So let's start with fixing the large. All right. And so this one we're going to make 60. Actually, 75. Why not? All right. So reset and run. Ooh, did that work? Hmm. Oh, I got to set it above. Okay. So reset and run. There we go. All right. So you just have to put it above the text that you want to change. Excellent. All right. So I think that's all we had to do. So we're going to click on finish and I'll see you on the next level. This is not bad.